Why Go Hybrid by Capture Books. The authors at Capture Books fill a particular niche between self-publishing and traditional publishing. We go after the libraries and bookstores like traditional publishers do, and we have the options for hardcover books and a variety of other options that really aren't available to individual self-published authors. Retail is all about serving the public. So find your niche and find a way to serve in a particular and unique way. When you join a hybrid publishing company, you are there to serve not only the public, but each other. And together we're stronger. In any new business, you need to imagine the possibilities and brainstorm how you can serve one another, and then learn to do new stuff. Sometimes when you do something new that you've never done before, you discover that you really enjoy it. There are a lot of tests involved, but there are a lot of joys involved. All of our authors have access to one or more book trailers, and the key is really to know how to reuse those book trailers for offering their services as speakers or as banners on Facebook or Twitter. Just looking for new ways to reinvent the book trailer and use it for more marketing purposes. One of the most daunting things for authors is to buy advertising. It can be so expensive. In a hybrid company, the authors decide together if they want to do a half-page ad like this is showing, or a full-page ad even, and share the costs. It's a big advantage. Find a membership organization that really serves your needs. We belong to Christian Small Publishers Association, and the director, Sarah Bohm, is constantly feeding us tips of the trade, things that are changing in the marketplace, and actual links to follow. And those links have proven to be very helpful for us. Appearing in libraries and bookstores and even teaching classes is the #1 way to sell your books as a new author. When an audience resonates with the heart of an author, they will definitely buy a book. Who would have thought that there's a downside to making money? Well, royalties are a little different than regular income, and we needed some help, so we hosted a seminar. Discover more of the advantages of becoming an author with a hybrid publishing company at Capture Bookstore or Capture Me Books or Books for Bonding Hearts.